Hi everyone, this is Karen McDowell, and I'm going to introduce a very basic overview of online collaborative learning theory. Online collaborative learning theory, or OCL, was developed in 2012 by Linda Harrison, a professor at Simon Fraser University in Vancouver. It is derived from a theory called computer-mediated communication, or CMC. OCL is a form of constructivist teaching in an online environment. Students are encouraged to collaboratively solve problems through discourse. Instructors play an active role as the facilitator, providing resources to the group and ensuring concepts of the subject are thoroughly integrated into the course. Linda Harrison says that a theory of learning should define and explain the indicators of learning in order to assess the quality of learning taking place, that is, the effectiveness. This need became the driver for her to develop a collaborativism, also known as OCL, to provide a framework for the field that considered the invention of online technologies and could explain, study, and assess the quality of collaborative learning that occurred online. According to Harrison, there are three phases of constructing knowledge through group discourse. The first is idea generating, or the brainstorming phase. The second is idea organizing, where the ideas are compared and categorized through discussion and even argument. The final phase is intellectual convergence, where members agree to disagree, but must still come to a consensus to complete a joint assignment, for example, like an essay. The end result is what Harrison calls the final position. Here's a more complex look at the OCL process. Strengths of Harrison's theory include the following. It promotes deep learning and encourages discussions. It supports higher order thinking skills. It improves communication between the instructor and the students. As for weaknesses, it does require smaller class sizes for effective discussions. Teachers must be highly skilled and willing to be a facilitator. In addition to, it is possibly less accommodating for science or engineering fields. Now that we're more familiar with the basic foundation of OCL, appropriate application and training might include, obviously, higher education, but also executive leadership training, corporate team building, and organizational development. Thank you for your interest in online collaborative learning theory.